Hey everyone, I'm out here grabbing some more firewood today. Just dropped this dead pine tree behind me with the little Milwaukee chainsaw. But I'm gonna cut the top out of this tree here now with the Milwaukee, throw it next to the wood pile, and then I'm gonna hook my winch on and grab the bigger part of the log and bring it up on the road. And then we're gonna start bucking it up. But I got my 372 here today and my 500 too. So it'll be nice to have the 372 back out in the wood. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This winch here is a game changer for me. I only got it when I started doing YouTube, you could say. Before that, I used to manhandle everything. Those sleds that I have that I use with the winch here to drag out firewood. I used to do that all by hand, but with the winch here, it's such a game changer. Like, it helps my back out so much. I'm a little stuck right now, so I'm gonna disconnect the cable here off the log, throw it in the back of the box of the truck, get myself out here, and then reset onto the log here with a winch and finish getting the rest of it out. All right, we're out. Thank God that didn't turn into a worse situation, because I didn't bring any straps today and I left my snatch block at home, so thankful we got out of that one. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the tree now is sitting on some of the firewood that we have left over from the last video. So it's off the ground a little bit, so it'll be nice for bucking up. So I'm gonna leave it for like that here for now, buck up the firewood, and I'll see if I can get lucky to do the same with the next section of the log. But let's start bucking this up. If you guys are wondering why I'm pausing between my cuts here, I got this tool here that's mounted to my handlebars. It's called the Firewood Pro Sizer. Basically, it's just a laser pointer. It's meant to give you more accurate cuts as you're cutting your firewood. And basically how you set it up, you mount it to your handlebars, and then you're going to turn the laser pointer on, and you're going to take a measuring tape, go from the tip of your bar out, and you're going to adjust that laser point out to the certain length of firewood that you want cut. It's that simple. By looking at mine right here, it looks bang on 14 inches of what I got it set at. I don't have a measuring tape here, but it all looks basically the same by looking at it. But I'm going to set up the winch again, drag the last section of the log up here, and we're going to break it to 500 and cut up the last little bit of the firewood here. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. Nothing too crazy going on, just getting a little bit more firewood. Was nice to have 372 back out again after the new carb. Might need to adjust that idle a little bit by the sounds of it, but ran pretty good, I thought. I just got this little bit of firewood to cut up and load out, but we'll catch you on the next one.